I therefore make the following order. The application for the removal of Mr. Downer as the public prosecutor in the criminal prosecution of Mr. Zuma and Thales South Africa Pty Ltd is dismissed. Reasons shall be incorporated in my judgment.
Jacob Zuma losing another case. His appeal was that he wanted to have the judge is it Billy Downer, the state prosecutor in the Amstel case. So one of the things that was interesting, right, is that the judge says the application is dismissed, but is not willing to offer reasons. And I'm like, and then Advocate Dalimpofu stand up and say, no, Pela, my lord, give us the reasons. When are we expecting reasons? And the judge says, nope, I will not give you reasons. I will give you the reasons at the end of the judgment. And I'm sitting and I'm like, I understand where Dalimpofu is coming from when he asks reasons. And in fact, he does state that we want the reasons so that we can decide whether or not we will take this further. So I'm sitting and I'm like, but if you withhold the decision, are you not infringing on one's right? Because if they launch that appeal and you give reasons to dismiss that appeal, and then it allows them to say, okay, if you dismiss it, we're going into a higher structure. So why are you not granting them that? But yeah, because these are seasoned lawyers, they will, I'm definitely sure they will find something. Because I mean, I was like, I'm gonna talk about other things, Jay, but the way and the manner in which it was dismissed doesn't sit well with me. It doesn't sit well with me. But nevertheless, there's something that will sit well with me. And that I put it to you that you do the following. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, I mean, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, so we will listen to the full video where at the judge is handing down the judgment, right, and dismisses the case. And I do not want you to confuse matters. In the case of Senzo Meyiwa, we were dealing with confessions. But in the case of Jacob Zuma, you are dealing with a removal. So if the judge says, I'm going to give more reasons and I can change my decision in the Meyiwa case, it makes sense because this is a continuous process. But in this one, Yaga Zuma, it's a separate case where we are saying, you judge, I'm making an example, you are biased. Therefore, we are removing you. You can't say, I will give you reasons at the end why I'm refusing to not to recuse myself. You get what I'm trying to say? You need to give us reasons now because we don't feel like you are independent and impartial. Right? But again, take a look at this.
I therefore make the following order. The application for the removal of Mr. Downer as the public prosecutor in the criminal prosecution of Mr. Zuma and Thales South Africa Pty Ltd is dismissed. Reasons shall be incorporated in my judgment.
as the court pleases, my lord, of course, we not want to put pressure on the court, but if our instructions were to get an indication, maybe as far as the reasons are concerned, my lord, just in terms of when we would expect those, because obviously we would need those to trigger any further proceedings. So, and I mean, I'm not looking for a date, just a kind of indication, my lord.
Well, reasons will be incorporated in my judgment at the end of the trial.
Oh, I see. So there's no reasons
Yes.
to be given at this stage. As the court pleases, my lord.
So, if you compare that, it does sounds like this judge is like, I don't want this prosecutor to go, so I'm just, you know what I'm saying? I understand, but now I'm it appears like we still have a long way to go. That's what I'm saying. We have a long way to go. Zuma, on the other hand, it's the Amstel case. On the other hand, it's look, he went to Bloemfontein for what is this one? What is this one, Gonch? The one of EMK being the deregistration, what that was in Bloemfontein. Right after that, okay, he went to the one in Bloemfontein. The following day, he went. That's when the judgment was delivered. And I'm not sure whether Friday, right? I'm not sure whether Friday or next week. Sometime soon, like anytime soon from now, man. The ANC will be taking the same MK to court. They've separated the matter. The other one is in Bloemfontein. The other one is Pietermaritzburg. Yeah, you can see, man. Hey, Zuma in court, left, right, and center. Right. Here you are, fit. And if you're looking at the matter of EMK, I do not foresee EMK, the matter of EMK, I do not foresee a situation where it ends anytime soon. I think it's going to take a while for that matter to end. But yeah, but maybe you guys are like watching or listening to this video and listening to the reasons given by the judge. Listening to Advocate Dalimpo, assistant lawyer, listening to Dalimpo saying, give us reasons why you rejected this. When can we expect this? And the judge saying, no, I'm not going to give you the reasons. You will get the reasons at the end. At the end of everything. That's when you will get the reasons. Bongs is sitting here and I'm like, for me, it doesn't make sense. You should be giving reasons, man. Like okay, we heard that, okay, you accused. I am saying you made this confession free and voluntarily. At least in the Mayua case, that judge was clear, and the reasons was that I'm saying you make this free and voluntarily. There are reasons there. We can work with that, right? Going forward, you can also, as lawyer, because I think they also need to prepare their defense strategy. Now, how do you argue a situation where you feel like you need to recuse yourself, right? So you kind of feel like it's unfair to have you in this case. The next thing the judge says, it is fair to have him on the case, but it's not giving reasons. Oh my God! That's why when this was brought into my attention, I was just roaming in the street of Twitter, and then somebody had written that we've got another problem of a biased judge, and then I was like, problem? Biased judge? What do you mean? Then I was like, oh, I've forgotten about this. I've forgotten about this judgment. I should have just kept you on the loop about the fact that Zuma was attending this case and I was supposed to give you update on time. But Nakoda, guys, you need to forgive me. There are a lot of things that are happening. The Manda brothers are in Swaziland, a kingdom of Eswatini. In KZN, something is the same case of AKA is happening. In Cape Town, we are busy dealing with the Jocelyn case. In Free State, is Thabo Baxter's story. In Gauteng Pambrish Court, Mkwanazi story. It's another extreme story. In Pretoria, you've got the Senzo Meiwa trial. Now, whilst we were still like, you know what I'm saying? Now it is this what judicial tribunal where we might see Judge Maumela being removed. So it's like, guys, I'm trying to say, it's like the courts are busy. Like there's never a peace. The courts are busy. Like, so if I forget, hi guys, it's too much. The way we have so many cases in this country, it is too much. It is too much. I'm telling you, it is too much. But again, allow me to love and leave you. But before I do so, give me your opinion about what I've just said. You probably have a different opinion, different view. I always say that view is accepted as long as that view it doesn't come out as a form of respect. Then it doesn't come out in a form of disrespect. Then I can take it. So give me your view. And while you're giving me your view in the comment section below, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section below, and also click the notification bell. Well, unfortunately, you can't click the notification bell if you haven't first subscribed, so that when I post the next video, you will be the first to be notified. So until such a time, good people, please take care.